Aloha! I want to do a quick video on the Infusion ink here and tell me what you think. Alright, so this is how the ink looks before you heat transfer it. It's a little bit duller. And then this is how it turned out. I really like it. I think it's so bright. I'm definitely going to use this Infusion ink a lot more. So let me show you the colors I use. This one is the lime green. The other one I used was the purple, regular purple. Then I also used black, obviously. And the other one I used was the neon pink. And it is just super bright. I really love this. I really do. These markers are amazing. And again, this is the polyester, about a 95% polyester. Alright, so I wanted to try and use the same infusion design a second time to see how much would transfer. This time I used a cotton blend t-shirt, which is not recommended. The first one I used was a 95% polyester t-shirt. So I did the heat press and it actually did transfer some. Not bad. A little lighter, but it did. Alright, y'all, so this is the final finished product. I love it. I'm loving Infusion ink, and I'm definitely going to use it more often. So until next time, go ahead, like, subscribe, drop a comment, and go ahead and hit that notification bell.